we're going to express a decimal as a percent. So let's go ahead and take a look at a couple examples. So let's say I've got a decimal like 0.12. Well, what is that decimal as a percentage? Well, to go from a decimal to percent, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply by 100. So from a decimal to a percent, we multiply by 100. And when we multiply by 100, what that does is that moves the decimal to the right twice. So 0.12, the decimal 0.12, as a percent is going to be 12, and then I write the percent symbol after it. If I forget that, then they're not equivalent. So these two things are equal to one another. Of course, we can do, let's do another one here. Let's do 0.53, so 0.53 decimal. I want to convert it into percent. I move the decimal over, so you can't see that, move the decimal over twice, and we're going to end up with 53%. That's simple. Now, you just got to be a little bit careful. For example, what if I had 12.7? Okay, we got a number here with the decimal. We want to convert it to percent, so we'll move that over twice. So I get 1270, right? If I move it over once and then twice, there'd be a 0 there, right? Because I could put, if I want to, I could write this like that. Now I move it over twice, I get this, so a fairly large percent. We can also do some really small decimals. Let's say we've got 0.0006, and I want to write that as a percent. Well, what I'm going to do again is just move this over once and then twice. So what I'm going to get is 0.06. So it's kind of like I'm getting rid of two of these zeros here. Now my percent symbol comes along for the ride. So that should be enough examples there of how to go from a decimal to a percent.